up, guys? We're going to a Dichotomy meeting right now. Waiting for the boys. That's why I'm going to speed limit for once. It looks like we got two Audis to my left right here, but yeah. We're gonna see some nice cars and have some fun. Who's that ugly ass fool? Dude, I thought you were in your seat. Damn. Look at this thing. Sheesh. So I just got to the Dichotomy meet. I'm gonna move my car over here, because I'm like all alone and shit. So once I do that, it'll fucking look nice. So yeah.
Hey, come forward.
All right. This motorcycle cop came in all hot and fucking pulled over someone over there. All hot. They're on their shit tonight, boys. So there's another cop right there. I don't know what he's doing. And there's one over there. Look, guys, bored ass cops pulling over innocent people when there's murderers out there killing people, and they want to pull over innocent cars.
It's not even 8:30 yet.
Cops pulling people over left and right.
¿Es esta? Ok, si no tengo...
So I didn't know the meet started till 8:30, but yeah, it looks like everyone's rolling in right now. A bunch of cops. There's one over there, and then two motorcycle cops pulled this car over at the same time. So I don't know what the deal is. Oh, look, there's one right there cruising by, and then there's one sitting over there. Our car at the car meet, and we came to fucking share tea to get some boba. It's pretty good right now, but damn, God. Freaking cops are out here hot. Look at them. Let that fool up. A lot of cops are out pulling people over left and right. I mean, it started at 8:30. We got here hella early when there was like no content. A lot of nice cars here right now. Got kind of dark as well. Got that 392. Got the Type R. nice ass Prelude. Sick ass Mustang. Honestly, thought there'd be a lot more people. Oh, there's the Mustang right here. The Camaro. Sick ass Subaru. They're nice lights.
Thank you.
Got the Dodge. Got the 370. Miata. Everything here. Got the flashing lights. So far, I mean, it's not like that. What is this? Audi. Oh my god. Look at this blue Focus RS right here. I have the ST. Wow. I've always wanted the RS, but yeah. Well, all you gotta do is soup up an ST to beat one of these fucking things. But damn. It's so beautiful. Holy shit. It's so dark. Wish I had more coverage. It's so nice. That car is gonna get pulled over. I don't know. A lot of cars moving right now. Sleeper? Sleeper? Seems like everyone's leaving right now. I don't know why. Sick ass Miata. That guy's still getting towed.
But it going in a ride in a GTR, his favorite car. Yeah. Woo! Look at that car. Sick.
In the R35 today. It is sick. First time ride for me.
And this shows you the computer is predicting based on what you're doing what your next gear will be. So you can watch what the computer thinks in terms of what gear you should be in. So right now it put me in sixth. It's got fifth locked in.
Oh wow.
Shifted to fifth. You see that? See how quickly it shifted?
Yeah, that was. It's like instant.
It's
It's just
instant,
like number
exactly.
counting.
Sorry for filming portrait, but this guy's like fucking drunk or something. He almost hit me right now. This fucking idiot right here. What the fuck, dude? I think he's drunk or some shit. Almost fucking hit me.